In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how Pikzels works, what it actually helps with, and whether it's the best AI packaging tool you should be using for your YouTube channel. I've left the link in the description for you to try it out. When you first sign into Pikzels, this is the window you'll see. The main area has a chat box where you can enter your prompt. You'll also see a few additional features like Recreate, Edit, Title, and Analyze. Right here, you'll notice the Enhance Prompt option. On the left menu, we have a tutorial section. If you click on it, you'll find short tutorials that help if you get stuck on anything. Moving on, we have the Models section here. This one is the latest model. Below that, you have two options to choose from, long form and short form. In this video, I'll be guiding you using the long form version. I'm selecting the top model here. And now I'm entering a prompt. A cinematic YouTube thumbnail of a young male entrepreneur holding the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad toward the camera. Sitting at a desk with self-improvement books, dramatic blue and red lighting, large 2025 text in the background, modern high-contrast professional studio style. This button gives you the option to enhance the prompt. The Personas button here allows you to create your own persona. The Personas feature lets you train a model on a specific face, either yours or someone else's, so the model can automatically use that face in your generations. To create one, click on Personas, then click Create, and give your persona a name. After that, upload at least 10 different images. Now, moving ahead, I'll click on Generate. The thumbnail has been generated according to the prompt. You can see that it's now analyzing the thumbnail. If I click here to zoom in, you'll notice that the model included the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, along with other self-improvement books, exactly as we asked for. The lighting also looks solid and matches our prompt well. The thumbnail has now been analyzed and given a score of 49, which is quite low. As you can see, the virality, clarity, and idea scores are much lower compared to curiosity and emotion. We can use the one-click fix to improve these results, but I'll show you that later in the video. Moving on to the next feature, which is Recreate. Here, you can recreate a thumbnail in two ways, either by uploading it directly from your laptop or by providing a link to an existing video. I'm going to use a video link to test this feature. Here, you need to enter the changes you want in the thumbnail. For the edit, I'll write, "Change the person to Mark Zuckerberg and change the text to Facebook." Then I'll click Generate. The thumbnail has now been generated and the results look amazing. If we compare it to the original one, you'll see that it has maintained the consistency of the design and color, while changing the image and text exactly as requested. It's also analyzing the thumbnail in the background. The report it gives is very accurate. As you can see, the score is 81, which is really impressive. Next, let's head over to the Edit feature. This gives you two options. You can either upload your thumbnail or add a link to a video. I'm going to upload this thumbnail from an existing video and ask it to change the text to "Who is the King?" This feature works extremely well if you want to change text without ruining the entire thumbnail design. Here's the result, and it worked perfectly. It didn't mess up anything else in the image and only applied the change I asked for. Now, moving on to another powerful feature of this tool, which is Analyze. This feature analyzes a thumbnail you already have or are planning to use. I'm going to test the link option by pasting a video link and adding the title of the video. You can also analyze a thumbnail by simply uploading it. I'll click Analyze, and it will take a deep look at the thumbnail and give it a score. The score we get is very low, so let's check the details. You can see that virality is in orange, but the idea score is in red. I'll now use the one-click fix option. Let's see the result. The new thumbnail now has a score of 72, which is a big improvement over the previous one. If you want, you can click the one-click fix again to improve it even further. When you compare the original thumbnail to the new one, the difference is clear. The new version looks much better in terms of color and contrast. It keeps the same background while adding a darker gradient and noise, making it far more impactful. Now the final thing I want to mention is pricing. Pikzels offers $20, $40, and $80 plans. The $40 plan gives you 1,000 credits, while the highest plan gives you 3,000 credits, which is more than enough for most YouTube channels. The premium version includes the title generator, face swap, and the one-click fix feature, everything most YouTubers need. The ultimate version adds privacy and early access to new features. If you want to try it out, use the link below. You can also get some free credits if you scroll down on that page. So, if you want to improve your YouTube videos, go ahead and sign up using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.